Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this Ghostek product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Want to give Ghostek a huge shout out for sending me camera glass lens protectors for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now this is a dummy device, the perfect tool to review cases with and accessories as well. All the information to purchase will be down below in the description area. All right, let's get a good look at the packaging. Ghostek camera lens protectors, tempered glass, unmatched clarity, includes install kit, and you can see the kit right there, housing the 3 glass camera protectors made for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Scan the QR code for how to install video instructions. If you've never have ever installed camera glass lens protectors from Ghostek, check out the video. Follow what I do. Either way, there's a lot of information to make the process that much more simpler. Anti-reflection, 9H hardness, 9H tempered glass hardness, anti-fingerprint, easy remover design, scratch resistant. And with that, let's go ahead and we're going to get my little knife there so we can get into the packaging and remove the contents. You get one of these kits with the camera glass protectors, so make sure you take your time, enjoy the process, and it'll just go that much easier for you. All right. Got some stickers here. We'll put that over there to represent. And we got a microcloth, alcohol prep wipe, and dust removal stickers. You want to make sure that everything on those cameras is super duper clean. I'm looking for my little rubbery pad here. Keep the iPhone 17 Pro Max dummy device in place there. We'll get a close-up, speed up the video a little bit, add some music for your entertainment, and then it'll all be said and done, and we'll get a good look how everything looks. Okay, so let's do this. Wow, that looks great. Huge thumbs up. And just the look of those camera glass lens protectors give your iPhone 17 Pro Max a little extra something. You know what I'm saying? A little extra love. But more importantly, it's about the protection. Now, I've used camera glass lens protectors from Ghostek in the past for other devices, and I've never had issues with the quality of pictures that I've taken with those devices and the videos that I shot with those devices. So you will not have any issues. The install, again, very simple, very easy. Just make sure that it's at a downtime. That way you don't make a simple mistake with a simple process. But those look great. Now, Ghostek has a lot of cases for your iPhone 17 Pro Max, but their cases don't give you that full camera protection. They have a huge cutout with a lot of lip, a lot of depth, Rinky, on the other hand, has cases like this. Full camera protection, except for obviously the cameras, the flash, the mic, and the sensor. So I want to test out the Alice case from Rinky here. And there is a full review on this case, so please go check that out. Just to show you that you're not going to have any issues with utilizing a case that's going to give you that full protection over that horizontal camera island there. So you can see you have plenty of space, and you're going to have some depth going on there to protect the camera glass lens protectors themselves. That right there is awesome. You got two different companies coming together and working together. Yeah, that's a thumbs up, folks. Look at that. Again, if you have cases that are completely open, that have that lip and depth, they're obviously going to work with those cases. I press up against one of the camera glass lens protectors there and pull back on the corner. And there you go. Voila. All right. Huge shout out, Ghostek. Any questions, please ask down below in the comment section. All the information to purchase the Ghostek camera glass lens protectors for your iPhone 17 Pro Max will be down below in the description area. And with that, God bless you all. Peace. I am out.